Welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about string copy. Now, in this particular session, we'll be talking about concatenation as of two string. Uh, so, what I have done is that I have taken two string, said first, two variables, sorry, f name and the l name, right? So, then I ask enter the first name, then I ask enter the last name, right? Then I will use the standard function, that is string concatenation. Okay, so my destination is f name, and my source is l name. Fine. Then I will write printf the concatenation of two string is percentage s comma f name. Yes, f name. Okay, let me save it. So I give the first name as Bhupesh and Deka, and I got the concatenation string Bhupesh Deka. Yes, so you have seen this. What I have done, I have taken two variable. Yes, right, two character array. Okay, f name and l name. Yes, of size 30. I asked to give the first name stored in f name. I asked to give the last name stored in l name. Then I use this library function strcat and then f name, okay, l name. So I've just concatenated the two string. So I got the output, right? So first name was Upesh, okay, and the last name was Deka, okay, and I concatenated this Deka with Bhupesh. So I got the answer as Bhupesh Deka. So I've used this library function. So let us try without using library function. So what I have to do, in order to do this, what I have to do is I have to traverse the first string till the end. Yes. So I will to traverse this first string f name. So say for example, if it is Bhupesh, then I have to traverse till h. Okay. Then after h, I have to add deka, right? Or in the other sense, we have to see what is the length of this particular string. So whatever the length of this string that we have, okay, right? Suppose that the length of the string is 7. Yes, that means it start from 0 to 6, correct? Okay, and then after that we have to add from the 7th position the value of the first character of the next string. So after h, okay, the d will be d, then e, then k, and a will be gone. Okay, so what I can do, I can use this strlen function in order to find the string length, but I will not going to do. Let me find the length. So as per, okay, say I equal to 0. Yes, okay. So now I will say while f of name of I, okay, plus plus, okay, uh, not equal to null. Yes, semicolon. So what I've done is that I will be now moving, okay, right? I am moving this particular string till I get the null character. Yes, okay. So after that, what I have to do, I write j equal to 0. Yes, and it will move to the null character, and we know that if the length is 7, but initially since it start from 0, so it will go to 6, from 0 to 6, right? So whatever length is there, I have to minus 1 value. So that means I will minus in decrement the value of I, and then after that I will write while, okay, this is last name j, okay, not equal to the string, the null, okay, yes, and what I have to do, sorry, what I have to do, I have to add. So f name of I is equal to l name of j. Yes, then I will increment the value of I plus plus. I also increment the value j plus plus. Okay, yes, and then I display here. Okay, here again I have to do one more thing. I have to put a null character at the end of the first string. This is important, so I will put here this, okay, equal to the null character. Okay, so save. uh, so let me close this. This is save. Okay, so what is the first string that I have to give? It is Bhupesh. What is the next string? DEKA. And my output? Okay, I have not got the output. Okay. Oh, I have not initialized. I have initialized I equal to 0. It is done. So where is the problem? I plus plus. Okay, not equal to this. So j equal to 0. I minus minus. So L of L name j not equal to, oh, not equal to null. There I have done the mistake. Okay, execute again. So the first string is Bhupesh. Second string is Deka. And the concatenation string I got Bhupesh Deka. Yes. Okay. My mistake was that I have, when I put the null character, I have done wrongly. Okay. So while fname I plus plus not equal to null means the string that is Bhupesh, okay, I will go till the end of the null character. Till the end of the null character. Yes. Initial I put I equal to 0. Then I put j equal to 0, I minus minus, because as you know, what I will get the length is 7. But as we know in C, okay, the array start from the index start from 0, okay, to 6. But the size is given 7. That's why I decrement the value of I. Then I will traverse the next string, that is L name, till it is null. And then each of these characters of L name, I will add it into the F name. Okay, and I'm including the value of I also and J also. And at the end, on the first string, I put a null character. Okay, and that concatenation of the two string is given by F name. Yes, so we have got it. Okay, so we have got the concatenation of the two string. Yes, so in this particular video, we have seen that we can use str cat function. Okay, already the library function that is there, or otherwise we can use our own code to do that. So what we have to do first, we have to find out the length of the first string. Okay, so we got the length of this first string. Then after that, just reduce the length of the first string by 1. Okay, and then after that, traverse the second string till the null character and add each of the character of the second string with the first string. Okay, because already we have even traversed the first string to the end itself. Okay, and then at the end, just put the null character in the first string, and then the concatenation of the two string is given by fnm. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So concatenation of the two string, it is easy, yes, and it is also one of the very important question for interview. Please understand string length, string reverse, string copy, string concatenation, and in the next video I will talking about uh, the function of how to write a how to create a function for the string copy itself. Okay, and then in the subsequent video I will be talking about the string the compare also. So these are very important for the perspective of interview. Yes, I hope it is clear. I am just traversing the first string to the end. Okay, and then after that I traverse the next string to the end, and each character of the string I'm putting into the first string, right? And why I minus minus, or if you say this is this is nothing but finding the length, because we know the length of this string is 7, right? But index starting from 0 to 6 only, because in C the index starts from array index start from 0. That is the reason why I have put a minus minus. Okay, I hope this is clear. Yes, so if you are liking my video, kindly share with your friend and ask them to subscribe also. Thank you so much.